Dr. Mark Drucker for Equine Athletics. I'm a medical doctor specializing in wellness and sports medicine for over 30 years. Some of you may know that I consider exercise to be the true fountain of youth. I also believe that a massage gun, which provides percussion therapy to muscles and other soft tissues, can be very effective to keep you active, injury-free, and to treat minor injuries. I'm going to show you how I use the Equine Kestrel, the top-of-the-line model, to treat some of my own injuries. If you've been active as long as me, you may have some also. This is the round, soft cushion head. I'm going to depress once, get that turned on to level 2. And I've got an injury back here right around my spine, so I use this sometimes with one hand, sometimes with two hands, and I go right where the tenderness is to increase circulation, stimulate the tissue, and I find it very soothing and very helpful. Let's get that turned off, and we're going to switch now to the next head, which is the flat. The flat head is very good for going over bony areas, muscles that are very close to the bone, also going over joints. So for example, I like to use this on my chest wall, on my pectoralis muscles, and let's get this up to level 2. And then let's start gliding across that chest wall where the pectoralis muscle is. You can go right into the shoulder joint where the tendons are crossing. Again, this is stimulating the tissue, stimulating circulation, clearing out waste products, and it's almost, it's a massage-like with pressure, so it's massage and percussion. I find this very healing and very soothing. Let's get to the last head, which I like to use, last but not least, as I say, it's the fork. And because I've got, spinal injuries, I like to use the fork. You have to be somewhat careful, and you have to kind of be gradual in how you do it. Let's get it up to level 2. I tend to use both hands to balance it. I go right up and down the spine with just the right amount of pressure, not too much. And it really does help to align and keep the pressure off those spinal segments. So anyway, check out the folks at equine.com if you're interested in staying active. Dr. Mark Drucker, take care.